Hi friends, welcome to Techie Study and my Microsoft Fabric series. In this session, we are going to discuss about Microsoft Fabric roles in Workspace and grant access to user for it. Okay, so roles in workspaces in Microsoft Fabric. So we have four roles in Microsoft Fabric, like admin, member, contributor, and viewer. Okay, so workspace roles we can manage and we can do what is Microsoft Fabric workspace. In the top of one lake and divide the data lake into separate containers, and it can be secured independently. It's like a container, we can secure it is independently each workspace. Okay, so workspace roles in Microsoft Fabric extended in Power BI workspace roles by associating new Microsoft Fabric capabilities such as data integration and data exploration for existing workspace roles. So we can either assign roles or individual security groups, Microsoft 365 groups or distribution leads, or we can grant access to a workspace and assign the resource user groups individually one of the workspace like admin, a member, contributor, viewer. Either of them roles we can give the particular user or a distribution list. What are the groups? Okay. So admin is nothing but whole all roles we can capable to manage or delete whatever we can do the in workspace level update delete those permissions we have for admin only. So after you create a workspace in Microsoft Fabric, or if you have an admin or a member role in workspace, you can give others access to it by adding them to different roles. Okay, workspace creators are automatically admins. Once you created by you the workspace, you will be automatically admin to that workspace. Okay, so member, if you have the member role, you can only add the other to the member, contributor or viewer roles only. So contributor or viewer, contributor and viewers can only share the items whatever we have it in workspace if they have reshare permissions. Okay, if they have reshare permissions, whatever they can share it to the other users also in that workspace, particular workspace only. So admins, members and contributors can grant viewers granular SQL permissions to the query, SQL analytic endpoint to lakehouse and the warehouse via TDS endpoints to SQL connections. So let me show you the some of the documentation. Okay, so if you see here capabilities and roles, update and delete workspace, admin only can do these operations. So add or remove public including other admins, this is also admin only can do it. So add members or other with lower permissions, admin and member can do it as we discussed previous. So allow others to reshare items, this is also can do by admin and member only. View and read content of data pipelines, notebooks, Spark definitions, machine learning models and experiments and event streams. This all can have access all the roles admin, member, contributor and viewer. So view and read content of KSQL database and KSQL query sets and real-time dashboards. So this is also like all roles we have access. So connect to SQL analytic endpoint of lakehouse or warehouse. This is also we have all the roles we have access. So see, based upon this requirement, what permission you need to give to the user, you need to decide. Okay, in real-time environment. So this one real read lakehouse and data warehouse data and shortcuts with tsql through tds endpoint. As I said, we can access only three roles admin, member, contributor only. So read lakehouse and data warehouse data and shortcuts through one lake apis and spark, this is also can access by only three users. Okay, so based upon this capability you can give the access to the users. So now we will go for workspace and demo training workspace. Here three dots is there, you need to click that, click on manage access. Okay, here within the workspace is this one add people or groups. Okay, if we have any group we can add it here or we can add it email, right? So here only organizational account will accept, if you will remember. Okay, let me show you. I will try to add my personal email ID. So this is organizational account. Okay, Microsoft one. So hence that is added. Let me check you. HIK. See, so it will give the error. One or more email address with following domains are outside of your organization. Okay, it will accept only organizational email IDs. Okay, we can give admin add. So it's added now. See, now I am also admin for this workspace, right? So this is the way we can add people or groups in workspace. Once we added the workspace, whatever the resources we have in this workspace, those are able to, well, based upon the permission, they can able to access those resources. Machine learning, notebook, lakehouse, KSQL data, KSQL query set, and data pipeline, data flow gen 2, and spark definition, warehouse. Yeah, these all are we are going to create in our workspace in next sessions. Yeah, based upon the access, they are able to access inside the workspace. It's just nothing but container. We are maintaining the resources in that container with specified roles. Okay, admin, member, viewer, and contributor. Four roles we have. Based upon that, which I have shown you here, right? Capability. By seeing this capability, you got to know so which role we need to give the users in workspace. Okay, so this is about roles in workspace in Microsoft Fabric. So if you are watching, if you have any questions, please do the comment in comment section. I will clarify your doubts. So if you are watching first time, please subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.